This is not just a car. This is a statement of success. When it arrives, heads turn. Conversations pause. Because this vehicle doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. Designed for those who lead, not follow, this luxury car represents power, prestige, and uncompromising excellence. Every line of its exterior reflects confidence. The bold grille, signature LED lighting, and flawless aerodynamic shape create a presence that dominates the road. From city streets to open highways, this car doesn't blend in, it stands apart. It's not built for everyone. It's built for the few who expect more. Open the door, and step into a world where luxury meets intelligence. Premium leather seating, handcrafted details, and ambient lighting welcome you into an interior designed around comfort and control. Every surface, every stitch, every material is chosen with precision. This is not just craftsmanship, this is art in motion. Start the engine, and you don't just hear power, you feel it. Smooth acceleration, refined handling, and a drive so effortless it feels instinctive. Whether you're cruising downtown or pushing limits on the highway, this car delivers performance with elegance. Power, without aggression. Speed, without compromise. Advanced technology keeps you connected and in command. Intelligent navigation, a world-class sound system, and cutting-edge safety features work seamlessly to enhance every drive. This is innovation designed to serve you, quietly, efficiently, flawlessly. Because true luxury isn't loud. It's confident. This car understands your lifestyle. It adapts to your needs. It moves when you move, responds when you decide, and performs when it matters most. From business meetings to late-night drives, every journey becomes an experience worth remembering. This is for those who never settle. Those who recognize quality at first glance. Those who know that luxury is not about price, it's about presence. Don't just see a car. They see success. They see authority. They see someone who has arrived. Because being VIP isn't about privilege. It's about vision. And this luxury car is the perfect reflection of that vision. Drive excellence. Drive confidence. Drive the future.